Hey guys, back with another video. Today it's my friend installing my wig. Hair's from AliPearl. I've got 3 bundles, 22, 22, 20 and a 5x5 closure. I did buy the hair myself, so it's not sponsored at all, but I just wanted to show you me getting it installed and how it was styled. But yeah, I hope you enjoy.
You can change the network and ask for a code. But are you gonna?
Get him a 12, get him a 12.
12 for the camera. How?
The hair, like the length, I'm like almost 5'8", and it's 22 inches, and it's a full 22 inches. When my friend made it, she only used 2 bundles and the closure, which is 5x5. So yeah, I've got a full another bundle, and yeah, it's quite thick.